Hi everyone! Today I'm going to talk about a step in your skincare routine that can very often be confusing: toners. So we firmly believe that hydration is the foundation of a healthy skincare routine that can give you glass skin. And in Korea, actually every step of the skincare routine has hydrating ingredients for this very reason, including the toner step. But why do you need a toner, really? And what does it do for you? How do you use it? So today I'm going to talk about all of the reasons that you do need a toner, how to best use them, and what they can actually do for your skin when used correctly. When you wash your face, the pH of your skin can change depending on the pH of the water in your region or the cleanser that you're using. Using a hydrating toner after cleansing can actually help to bring skin back to equilibrium, the pH of 5.5, which is where you want your skin to be. Depending on the toner, it can also have other skincare benefits in addition to balancing the skin. In Korea, toner is very often the first leave-on liquid step of treatment for your skin. In the West, toners tend to be a little bit more astringent and used to wipe off residue after cleansing, dirt, debris, makeup, and other things that your cleansing step didn't remove. In the K-beauty routine, because the cleansing step is so thorough and you've done your diligence up front, the toner step then becomes more about feeding your skin the ingredients that it needs versus removing what it doesn't. Utilizing the toner step to get ingredients into your skincare routine that you might need is actually an incredibly effective method of delivery. Because toners are more liquid, they're very efficient at penetrating and sinking through the skin layers and delivering actives where they need to go. A toner is also a great way to plump and hydrate the skin from deep within. So imagine using first a toner, then a serum, then a moisturizer, your emollient step, and building hydration at every single layer from deep within, bottom up, through the skin so that skin stays plumped and hydrated for longer. Korean toners focus more on hydration because astringent toners can be very stripping and drying to the skin. A lot of toners out there that claim oil reduction, oil balancing, pore refining, these types of toners can contain harsh ingredients that can dry out the skin over time. Additionally, ingredients like very high concentrations of drying alcohols or witch hazel can also cause long-term damage to the skin barrier. So now that we know the difference between hydrating toners and stripping toners, which toner is right for you? Your skin is actually incredibly multifaceted, and we didn't think you should have to choose between the two. Our new Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA toner has both hydrating and pore refining ingredients so that you can get both benefits in one treatment. Just like the Watermelon Glow sleeping mask or lip pop, we really love it when a product can gently exfoliate but also deliver ample hydration, the best of both worlds. For pore refining, we included ingredients like PHA and BHA in this toner. PHA is a larger molecule acid that actually works incredibly well to gently refine, retexturize, and exfoliate the skin. But because of its larger molecule size, it actually takes a little longer to sink through the skin layers, meaning that it's incredibly gentle and great for people of all skin types, including sensitive. PHA is also a humectant, which helps to anchor moisture within the skin. Additionally, we used BHA in this formula. BHA is one of those ingredients that can really get into the pore lining, helping to decongest, declog pores, and prevent future breakouts. We used willow bark as a natural form of BHA, which is great for refining pores and shedding dead skin cells. In addition, we also used betaine salicylate. If you want to learn more about acids like BHAs and PHAs, don't forget to check out our How to Layer Acids video. To balance out all these effective exfoliating ingredients, we also included cactus water, hyaluronic acid, and of course, watermelon in this formula. Antioxidant-rich cactus water really intensely helps to hydrate the skin. Look at this super bouncy texture, which is actually from the cactus extract. And think about where cactus live in the arid desert and where it's able to survive for months on end because it's really anchoring moisture within itself. We knew we had to retain those same properties for this formula. Hyaluronic acid is of course known as a holy grail ingredient, and it helps retain up to 1,000 times its weight in water. And of course, we had to include watermelon extract for its soothing, anti-inflammatory, and hydrating benefits. Watermelon is a really meaningful ingredient to us. Sarah and I both have the memory of growing up in Korea and having our grandmothers rub watermelon rind on the skin during the hot summer months to soothe heat rash, irritation, redness, and hydrate the skin, and it would be this miracle ingredient that worked overnight. And we're so passionate about watermelon that we wanted to create an entire family of watermelon products that can leverage all the benefits that this superfruit has to offer. I love that this formula balances pore refining and skin barrier repairing properties so that you don't have to choose between the two. It also works for all skin types. For drier skin types, it plumps the skin, provides a flood of hydration without stripping the skin of its natural oils. For oilier skin types, it provides refining, balancing, and still lightweight hydration that works hard for you. We hope that this video answered all of your toner questions, and if you have more, leave them in the comments and we'll get to them as soon as we can. Thank you guys for watching, and get your glow on!